So if you're even thinking about a steep stair, you might want to think again. And if I had it to do over, I'm not quite sure I would go back with it or not. I think I'm going to be able to be okay with this. Now it is not done. On the outside, I've got to get a handrail. But I'll zoom in here and you can probably see the numbers on the right side. You can see 117 inches high. Pretty sure that's what I plugged into the software. And I tried it on 3 different links, and sure enough, the numbers all came out to be the same. And the 10-foot height is no big deal, except you need to go out further. And all I had to work with was about 7 feet. I'm moving a little closer now. And actually, I'm just a couple inches less than 7 feet. Ended up with being a 54.6 degree staircase, and it is steep. I'll take the camera off and we'll take a walk up it, and I'll try to put it in perspective of walking up and down the stairs, what it's going to look like. But looking back on it now, my other options were some kind of a industrial ladder. This certainly would never pass for any kind of a residential stairs, but I'm out in a barn. I'm the only one that's going to be using it. And when I'm not using it, I am putting a chain and probably with a padlock. 7 foot is just not long enough. So my only other options would have been to come up here on this side of the landing and then just put a nice big folding stair in. I think that would have worked out pretty good too. But I like the idea of a permanent stair a lot better, because my plans is I've got a massive loft up there, really nice storage area, and I just want to take advantage of it. Now the exact numbers, they may be just a few inches off of one of these, and I understand the importance of having it correct, but this is out in a barn, so I wasn't too crazy about getting it real precise. And this is my first time in my life of ever building a stair. I went ahead and cut the runners out myself. I really enjoyed building it. Here's the numbers that gave me that 54.6 degrees. And this is the final printout that I ended up going with as far as actually cutting them. I used a Ram Charger 22 caliber to drive those. Dangerously steep. I don't have my hand guard up yet on the outside, so I'm just kind of leaning forward and grabbing the stairs. Now this really puts it into perspective. Check that out. That is steep. So steep you can't go down it. Well, you can, but only half of my foot's getting on it. So what I do is go sideways. Now, I don't mind this, but I don't want anybody else to do it. Thanks for watching. Work safe out there. Have a good one.